We just want to make it of record that for the past 10 years po, the Commission on Audit against the DPWH has issued notices of suspension. Ang numero po is 8,294. Ang total amount po is 303,679,982,149. Nag-issue rin po ang Commission on Audit against the DPWH ng notice of disallowance 1,985 for the total amount of 5,795,564,478 at notice of charge po na 54 for 8,804,510. Yan po ang kabuuan for the past 10 years. Your Honors.
Mr. Chair,
Pero halo-halo na po yan.
may we request again the Commission on Audit to submit pertinent documents patungkol dyan sa mga na-flag na nila so that this committee can review itong binabanggit po ng Commission on Audit.
We'll do that, Your Honors. Salamat.
Gaano po namin kabilis matatanggap?
Ano po ito, all regions po ito, siguro mga next week po namin may submit, Your Honors.